Layla's Pearl Hunt. While looking through her grandmother's old wooden chest, Layla found a shimmering necklace. The necklace sparkled like the azure waters of Kuwait. "This is a pearl," her grandmother whispered. "Kuwait's most precious treasure." Layla decided to seek out the story of this mysterious pearl. First, Layla went to Kuwait's old market, Souk al-Mubarakiyah. The air was filled with the scent of colorful spices and hand-woven carpets. Layla spoke with an old pearl merchant. "True pearls," said the merchant, "are found in the depths of the sea, with the courage of the old pearl divers." He gave Layla an old map. The map pointed to a secret cove in the south of Kuwait. Layla set off with her father. The golden sands of the desert met the blue sea on the horizon. Along the way, they saw camels and desert foxes. When they arrived at the cove indicated by the map, they were greeted by Salim, an old pearl diver. Salim began to tell them the secrets of traditional pearl diving. "Pearl diving requires patience and courage," said Salim. He taught Layla how to hold her breath and how to dive to the bottom of the sea. Layla dived into the cool waters of the sea. She began to search for oysters among the colorful fish and corals. Finally, she found a shimmering pearl inside a large oyster. It sparkled just like the one in her grandmother's necklace, like the waters of Kuwait. When Layla showed the pearl to Salim and her father, a smile appeared on both of their faces. "You are a true pearl diver," said Salim. That night, Layla sat next to her grandmother and showed her the pearl she had found. "Kuwait's real treasure," said her grandmother, "is not just the pearls, but your courage and desire to explore."